How pets improve mental health. There's something special about the way pets greet us. Whether it's a wagging tail, a soft purr, or even the cheerful squeaks of a guinea pig, it's impossible not to smile when you see your pet. But did you know that these simple moments with your furry friends have a significant impact on your mental health? Let's explore the science behind how pets improve mental health and why our four-legged companions are more than just cute. They're like built-in therapists. 1. Stress, pets to the rescue. When life gets overwhelming, pets are there to help. Studies have shown that spending time with your pet can reduce cortisol, the stress hormone, while increasing oxytocin, the feel-good hormone that promotes bonding and love. In one study, participants who spent just 10 minutes petting dogs saw a notable drop in their stress levels. The best part? This effect works even if the pet isn't yours. And let's not forget the magic of cats. The sound of a cat's purring isn't just sweet, it has soothing effects on our nervous system. Research shows that the vibrations from a cat's purr can help reduce stress and even aid in healing. 2. Say goodbye to loneliness. Loneliness is a growing concern, but pets offer a solution. They provide constant companionship, helping you feel less isolated and giving you a sense of purpose. Having a pet can also add routine to your life, encouraging you to get up and stay active on even the toughest days. Dogs, in particular, are great for sparking social connections. A walk with your dog often leads to conversations with other pet owners. Who knows, a simple, "What breed is your dog?" could lead to a new friendship, or maybe even a date. 3. Boosting activity levels. Looking for an excuse to get moving? Your pet has you covered. Dogs, especially, need regular walks, helping you hit your daily step goal without even trying. And even smaller pets keep you active. Whether it's playing with a laser pointer or setting up an obstacle course for your rabbit, these activities get you moving and laughing, both of which are great for your mental health. 4. Emotional support without judgment. Pets offer unconditional love and acceptance, which makes them excellent emotional support companions. They don't care if you're still in your pajamas or if you've made a mess of dinner. They're there to provide comfort and stability. Therapy animals take this connection even further. Studies show that interacting with therapy dogs can reduce anxiety in patients in hospitals, students in college, and even veterans suffering from PTSD. 5. A happy hormone boost. Simply being around your pet releases a cascade of positive chemicals in your brain. Oxytocin? Check. Dopamine? Absolutely. Endorphins? You bet. These hormones help combat depression and anxiety, making you feel happy and energized just from spending time with your furry friend. Pets do more than just fill our homes with joy. They significantly improve our mental health. So, the next time your dog asks for belly rubs or your cat curls up on your lap, remember this. They're not just making your day, they're improving your well-being too.